This video demonstrates the steps for creating a mobile app in Mobile Studio using the Guided Application Creator. You can skip to any of these topics from the YouTube description for this video. First, let's take a quick look at mobile app architecture in the ServiceNow platform. Apps are built within scopes, which uniquely identify them and allow you to restrict access to their files and data. Each app contains one or more applet launchers, which are screens that display related mini applications called applets. Each applet displays data from the table you specify in a list, form, map, calendar, and so on. Finally, you can add functions to your applets to allow users to perform actions, such as changing data, making a phone call, or navigating to a URL. The first step in building a mobile app is to navigate to Studio, ServiceNow's integrated development environment. Mobile Studio is part of the existing Studio environment. When we click Create Application, the Guided Application Creator opens. We enter the app name and a description of what the app does. You can upload an icon here for a workspace or classic app, but the selector for adding a mobile icon appears later in the process, so we'll skip that step. Oops! If you get this message, it means that another ServiceNow application has the same name. We need to change it to make it unique. Keep in mind that this name will appear in the ServiceNow store if you decide to make your app available to other ServiceNow customers. At this point, we can exit the wizard and work directly in Studio, but using the wizard saves time, so let's go that route. In this step, we enter the role or roles that will have access to the app. We limit this app to users with the ITIL role. Here's where we specify what type of app we want to build. We could build a workspace, mobile, and classic app all at once, but for our example, we want only a mobile app. Now we select the table or tables that the app needs to access to populate the applets. We only need the change request table for now, and we can add more later if needed. Now we're ready to customize our app. We can edit the app details if needed. And here we can select an icon. It all looks good, so let's click Create. And here's our app. For our example, we want to launch Studio to finish setting up the app. So far, the app contains a list applet and an applet launcher. Let's see how the app works so far in the Agent Mobile app. We log in as a user with the ITIL role. And here's our new app. Here's the list applet created by default. It displays all change requests in the table. We can add a new record, delete a record, view a record, edit a record, and add media to a record, including video, images, comments, or work notes. The next videos in our series show examples of how to add more functionality to your mobile app. In the first video, we configure the list applet to display only change requests assigned to the logged-in user and add functions to make a phone call and access a related link. In the second video, we configure a map applet to display employee locations, display more detailed information about each employee, and call the employee's business phone. For more information, please see our product documentation, knowledge base, or podcast, or ask a question in the ServiceNow community.